Hello friends, my name is Vijay Peripa. Hope you are enjoying my videos. I try to share my knowledge whatever possible so that most of the viewers will be benefited. Recently we have conducted a training program for beginners and we have noted few important basic questions without which the beginners will not be able to manage their reports well or manage the desktop, Power BI desktop well. So I'm going to create a series of videos where I'm going to discuss about all these basic questions and then help the beginners. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about formatting techniques based on a question asked by the beginner that if he has many visuals on the canvas, how to manage them. Please watch it. Hello friends. Today morning, I have finished a session on Power BI for beginners. During that training, I have received a question from one of the participants that he wanted to make a beautiful tile combining all these KPI metrics, that is cards and one small chart, and that should be like a small table structure, and then make this more appealing and interesting. So this video meant for those beginners of Power BI who wanted to learn how to create nice reports and few reporting techniques. Now let me explain how to do that as quickly as possible. You must be thinking the numbers are changed from the previous frame, right? Yes, I have added some different numbers to make this chart little more nicer, because earlier the previous chart was having one larger bar and other bars are smaller, so I want to make sure that the chart look nice, so I have added different numbers. Now coming back to the formatting, where I want to align these card elements or card visuals, align horizontally very quickly. So how to select them? In earlier version you used to select by clicking control click, control click, control click. So if you have 10 different visuals, you need to select them one by one. But now if you are using April 2020 version, the way you select in PowerPoint, Excel or Word, same way, by just dragging you can select. So click on the left mouse button, click somewhere and then drag so that you can see all of the cards are selected in one shot. Now I need to align them horizontally. For that, a contextual toolbar appearing on the top, that is format. I'm selecting that. There, align, distribute horizontally. Nothing happened because the size of each tile is different, but anyway, it's not a problem. Select again format, align and align middle. Now you can see all of them coming and sitting in one place. Now I need to add the border. For that, I should not unselect them, I should keep them selected. Go to formatting option, there add border. Now border is added. Now I need to change the size because the sizes are different. Now let me select general section. There, let me select the width. Width is I think more or less fine, but let me decrease the width to 205, and then height is I think not good. So for that, let me make it as 105. Now they are in the same size. Now let me select again align, distribute horizontally and align, distribute middle. Now you can see they have come together. Now you can bring them together and keep somewhere like this. Now I can make this chart little bigger. Now I'll just align this to it. Now I need to add a border to it. I need not worry about it. Earlier I have selected all of them together and given a border, but still now I can use a format painter and I can create it. I'm just selecting one visual and then select home tab, there format painter, and just click on the current visual. Now you can see the structure has come. Now the question is how to join them. You can just use a group option, which is introduced I think from January or December 2019 or January 2020, I'm not really remembering, but you can just select all of them the way you have selected earlier and right click and then group and then group. Now you can see all are a single chart now. now you can make them travel together. If you want to make this tiles much more interesting, then you can add a shadow option or a glow option. Let me select this chart, formatting options, and then let me open the shadow option on. Now you have a color. By default it is showing blue. You can change it to black and it is a complete shadow. Otherwise, I want to convert this into a glow. I can select any different color so that it appears like a glow and the chart is elevated. Now if I change the position from outside to inside, now you can see the chart is appearing like something is cut inside and embedded the chart. Not only that, you can change the preset like you do in PowerPoint for your shapes. That is, go to shadow option and change the preset to different options. For example, if I make it left, the shadow will go to the left and it is appearing that way. So you can make this much more interesting. So for the same way, you can select all the tiles and start adding this shadow option, so to make this particular tile elevated much better way. If you have any questions on formatting techniques and you want to become creative in formatting, please let me know so that I can help you through a video. Please mention your questions in the comment section, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.